Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a good fade text effect using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to change its color. So I have selected this template, clicked on color palette option above, and I have just chosen this red color. Now we are going to text, click on add a heading, and here you can simply write the text that you want. You can simply select using Ctrl A, and then you can simply change the text color. Okay, we are going to increase the size, so it's looking good. Yes sir, it's looking good. Okay, now we are going to effects, and here in the effects we are just going to add a good effect, right? So as you can see, there is glow, there is drop, right? So what else we can add? You can simply click on share, then download, right? Front page, done, right? With transparent background, I am just downloading it. Clicked on download, going to uploads, click on upload files. I have selected this, add one more page, select this, and now I'm going to click on edit, and here in the edit you can select whatever the effect you want. For example, if you want drop effect, right, you can add that drop effect as well. Here you will get the distance, the angle, right, the blur amount, how much blur you want. You can simply add it from here. You can increase the intensity, right? You can decrease the distance, right, as per your requirement. No issues sir, it's looking nicer. Okay, we are going to elements, and here we are just searching for gradient. Okay, I've chosen this gradient. Now increasing its size. Now going to duplicate it once more, right? You can change the gradient position if your text is faded too much, right? You can change its position as well. Okay, so make sure to fix the gradient at the right position in single way, right? Else you would get confused about the layers. Okay, now here we are just going to select the text again, add a heading, search for, type the text. Now we are going to put it over here, change the font type. So this is not nice. Okay my dear friend, no issues, we are going to change this as per our requirement. So can we make it of white color? Yeah, you can. So in this manner you can simply create a good fade text effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.